This video walks you through how to categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the correct company file. Before you begin categorizing anything, make sure your bank or credit card account is already connected and that transactions are showing in the bank feed. If the account is connected, but the feed is still updating, wait for the recent activity to appear before moving on. From the navigation menu, go to Accounting, then Bank Transactions. Depending on the version of the layout you are using, this area may appear as Banking or Transactions. Once you are there, select the bank or credit card account you want to review. Make sure you choose the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one connected account. Open the For Review tab. This is the section that shows transactions that have not yet been added to your books. Select one transaction to expand the details and review the information QuickBooks has pulled in from the bank. In the Payee field, choose the appropriate vendor if the transaction is an expense, or the customer or source if it is a deposit. If the payee you need is not already listed, create a new one and continue. Then choose the correct category from your chart of accounts. The category should reflect what the transaction is actually for, so the amount flows to the right place in your financial reports. If the transaction is money moving between your own accounts, choose Transfer instead of assigning an income or expense category. This matters for items like transfers between checking and savings or a payment made toward a credit card balance. Be careful with transfers, credit card payments, loan payments, owner contributions, and similar transactions because putting those in a regular income or expense category can distort your reports. If your company uses class or location tracking, add that information here. You can also enter a memo if it helps identify the transaction later. If you have supporting documentation, attach the receipt so it stays connected to the entry. When one bank transaction covers more than one purpose, use Split. This allows you to divide the amount and assign each portion to the appropriate category. Review each split line carefully so the totals match the original transaction amount. Also check whether QuickBooks is suggesting a match. If the bank item corresponds to something already recorded, such as a bill payment or an invoice deposit, review the suggested match and choose Match instead of creating a duplicate. If everything looks correct and there is no match to use, click Add or Confirm to place the transaction in your books. After that, review the Categorize tab to confirm the transactions you have completed, then repeat the same process for the remaining items in For Review. Thanks for watching. Your bank transactions are now categorized in QuickBooks Online.